For decades, Wall Street ruled the financial world. The suits, the skyscrapers, the billion-dollar hedge funds, they set the rules, they moved the markets, and everyone else just followed. The traditional strategies, the old models, the 60/40ths portfolio, all of it was dictated from the top down. For most people, investing was distant, complicated, and reserved for the elite. But in 2025, something extraordinary is happening. The game has changed. The rise of retail investors is rewriting financial history in ways no one could have predicted. It started quietly, almost invisibly. A few apps, a few communities online. Zero-commission trading platforms put the market in everyone's pocket. Suddenly, investing wasn't just for the elite, it was for anyone with a smartphone. And with that, a new power was born. From Reddit forums to TikTok finance gurus, the crowd became louder than the giants. Meme stocks went viral, collective movements shook billion-dollar funds, and volatility spiked like never before. What once seemed impossible, small investors moving markets, became reality. Technology fueled this revolution. Algorithms and apps made trading simple, accessible, and addictive. Communities gave investors a voice, a sense of belonging, and the courage to challenge Wall Street itself. And when millions of small investors moved together, even the most powerful hedge funds trembled. Think about it, for decades, Wall Street dictated the game. But now, the rules are being rewritten in real time. The old guard is losing control, and the new wave of retail investors is forcing the financial world to adapt. This isn't just about stocks. It's about power. It's about who gets to decide the future of money. For the first time in history, ordinary people are standing shoulder to shoulder with the giants of finance, and sometimes, they're winning. The GameStop saga was just the beginning. AMC, meme coins, viral movements, each one a signal that the crowd can move mountains when united. Hedge funds lost billions, regulators scrambled, and Wall Street realized it was no longer untouchable. And it didn't stop there. Retail investors began to organize, to share knowledge, to build communities stronger than ever before. Discord servers, Telegram groups, YouTube channels, all became classrooms, war rooms, and rallying points. Finance was no longer a closed club. It became a global conversation, open to anyone willing to learn and take risks. Wall Street no longer decides alone. The balance of power has shifted. The question is not whether retail investors matter, it's whether they are the future, or just a passing storm. This is more than finance. It's a revolution. It's about access, community, and the democratization of money itself. And it's happening right now, in front of our eyes. Imagine a world where financial markets are no longer controlled by a handful of institutions, but by millions of voices acting together. Imagine the volatility, the chaos, but also the opportunity. That's the world we're stepping into. The institutions are adapting. Hedge funds are learning to monitor social sentiment. Regulators are debating new rules. Analysts are forced to pay attention not just to fundamentals, but to memes, trends, and viral movements. The financial system itself is bending under the weight of this new reality. And yet, the risks are real. Retail investors can be powerful, but they can also be reckless. Hype can destroy wealth as quickly as it creates it. Communities can unite, but they can also mislead. The revolution is exciting, but it is also dangerous. Still, one truth remains: the genie is out of the bottle. The age of passive investors quietly following Wall Street's lead is over. The age of active, vocal, connected retail investors has begun. So, are you ready to embrace this new era of investing, or will you be left behind? Subscribe and join the revolution, because finance is no longer just for the elite.